How to download and install BlueStacks on Windows the 7th of August 10 or 11. Follow this video for step-by-step guide. You guys can simply download the latest version of BlueStacks for Windows as well as for Mac from the given link below. It is also really simple process to install BlueStacks on your system. Whether the BlueStacks is compatible with your below we have listed all the minimum requirements to have on your PC to run BlueStacks. Please follow this video. Link in the description below. BlueStacks 5 system requirements. Before you install or update to BlueStacks 5, you need to make sure your PC fulfills the minimum requirements to run our emulator. These requirements are the following. Minimum system requirements: OS, Microsoft Windows 7 and above. Processor, Intel or AMD processor. RAM, your PC must have at least 4 GB of RAM. HDD, 5 GB free disk space. You must be an administrator on your PC. Up-to-date graphics drivers from Microsoft or the chipset vendor. Recommended system requirements: OS, Microsoft Windows 10 processor, Intel or AMD multi-core processor with single-thread benchmark score, 1000. Graphics, Intel/Nvidia/ATI, onboard or discrete controller with benchmark score, equals 750. You can go through the detailed guide we have made on how to find the benchmark score of your processor, CPU, and graphics card, GPU. Please ensure virtualization is enabled on your PC/laptop. RAM, 8 GB or higher HDD, SSD, or Fusion/hybrid drives. Internet, broadband connection to access games, accounts and related content. Up-to-date graphics drivers from Microsoft or the chipset vendor. You can install BlueStacks even if you have a virtual machine such as Microsoft Virtual PC, VMware Workstation, or Oracle VirtualBox installed on the same PC. However, please note that you may run into some performance issues. Installation complete. If the video is useful to you, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.